Hey, it's Mark Nolan once again, just outside the DEI garage, talking about the Cell Saver battery insulation setup here. This is really cool. Cell Saver basically solves the problem of heat soak into batteries. What it's going to do is absorb any leaking acids that might be there as well and prevent premature failure due to heat. And we all know heat is the enemy when it comes to just about everything we deal with when it's talking about cars, whether it's custom or maybe a race car or something like that, just like this one. Batteries very susceptible to heat and vibration. That could cause premature failure and hazardous leaks as well. Protects batteries from harmful radiant heat. Material withstands up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and traps and neutralizes any of that harmful battery acid, protecting the environment and your vehicle. Well, so here's what you get with the kit. A 40-inch long by 7-inch wide, a bit of insulation material there. A 12 by 7 treated base mat goes with it as well. That's the Cell Saver battery insulation.